Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video we're gonna take a closer look at the new Heart Swirl standalone die from Trinity Stamps. This is a part of the new Sweet Shop release. And here you can see how big this die is. It's meant to go across a slimline panel and it measures 7.5 by 2. And here is how nicely it will layer on top of a slimline card base. And I will also share here how it looks on a standard A2 size card front, and you can probably fit it across nicely as well. And I just love all the swirls here. And here is it once more when I cut it out of some pink cardstock. I just love how that is turning out. It's really easy to cut out and it's just a beautiful die. And I created a slimline card using this across the panel, rotating it and having it go across. I already have a video out on Trinity Stamps YouTube channel here if you'd like to check that card project out. And here is another project where I'm using it on a smaller card front, just a heart. I think that also is really nice, just to cut the parts you like. I will now leave you with some inspiration, but if you want even more inspiration you can always find it at our blog, our Facebook page, and of course our YouTube channel and the Instagram. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!